Good morning, everyone. I'm at home, Restaurant Depot. Restaurant Depot now at the Frederick Restaurant Depot.
Yeah, new restaurant.
New Restaurant Depot. Okay, guys. มาทุกคนมาสอบที่ Restaurant Depot. Okay, let's get inside. Beautiful out here. Winter time is cold, snow, let it snow. Enjoy every minute. Okay, let's go.
No, I don't. I don't have all the parts to go with it. Yeah, I got the lower deck because I want to.
Should have a card, huh? Yeah.
If I knew I wasn't going to mow grass with the other one, I could cut them with it. But the problem is,
Oh, that's nice.
I have rabbits for 2 tractors,
Alright.
and I have 2 tractors.
Restaurant Depot, guys.
I mean, we can
Oh,
buy.
persimmon or tomato.
We can buy them
That's
online.
tomato.
There's a guy out in Indiana that's got a bunch of them. It's all we need. All we need.
Okay, so this is telling me it's not the global system.
Okay, everyone. Just shopping over here, like let's see lah. Freezer side. Freezer this way, huh? Right? But anyway, go. Okay, let's go. Yes. See, Restaurant Depot, guys. You can order food. You see all the food, huh? All the food. You want to make smoothie? Everything here. No, I'm just talking right now. You know. Just remember, bring me back. You know what I mean? Peach. You see peach? Peach.
Yeah, peach.
Chase that.
What is it?
They're not cheap. Okay, look, $35 for the kid. Ooh, that's expensive.
It used to be.
Oh, $10. But strawberry not that bad, you know. Mango not that bad. 18. Okay, you know this is what you're bringing memory back, you know. Okay, Restaurant Depot. Okay, this freezer side. Take a little frozen fish. The duck. Frozen.
Ketchup, sauce, all the sauces, hot sauce, all that stuff over there.
I do one ketchup, but I don't want big one. I want small. I buy a small one. No, not over here. I'm just sometimes I eat something. I want to have ketchup too.
Grated chicken, okay. Burgers, hamburgers,
Oh, they block. They don't let you go through. Look.
appetizers. What's the appetizer?
The cheese stick.
Yeah,
you
stuff
want
like
cheese
that.
stick?
No, I don't want
Why not? Well, sometimes nighttime you want something different, you know.
Yeah.
Put in the oven. Shit, I don't. Why not? Just a little bit.
Try to find something healthier. French fries.
French fry good. I don't mind to get French fry, but have to bake, not the deep fry.
They even got sweet potato fries.
Oh yeah, bake. You know. How much the bag?
It's right there.
28, 24. We can go through right here. Look, the block. Move back to another side. Restaurant Depot เด้ออันนี้เป็นเขาขายพวกที่ว่ามีร้านอาหารใหญ่ๆมาซื้ออย่างนี้ They sell to people have restaurant sell cheaper but everything is double price when you look at not cheap anymore. I just want a kid of
Worcester sauce.
fish.
Barbecue sauce, hot sauce.
No, I don't. I make my own barbecue sauce. Make my own hot sauce. I don't need that. That's so nasty. Where is the freezer sign?
let me ask. Now is all these aisles blocked off? Like, is it another?
I want
area?
let's go to freezer side.
Freezer?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can go straight down, turn left. Oh.
They
This one,
block
this one, this one,
everywhere.
This one. This is blocked too?
No,
you can
not
go
this
down
side.
there,
Okay, this side. Okay.
Turn left and just go. That will take you straight into the freezer.
Okay.
At the bottom, turn left.
Thanks.
Soy sauce.
Yes. Oh.
Sweet.
Yep. Sunflower seed. I need this. This is it's a $5. Can you? How much? 11 or 5?
That's the
This.
raisin. That's the raisin.
This one?
Sunflower seeds. 11.
Okay, not bad. I'm take this one. You know why? I have to take this one. Sunflower seed. How much this one? Right here. That's the price? No.
That's pumpkin seed.
No, this one right here.
This is
Is that the price?
raw.
Roasted.
Pistachio.
Just pine nuts right here. Oh my God, it's not cheap. It's no, it's a $51. Too expensive. Right here. Shape eye. You see, look at that. It's you shape eye, huh? Freezer, super. Okay, go to the fish side. Yeah. Very cold over here, everyone. So cold. It's freezer, okay? Freezer, Hong Song, fish. Okay, let's go to theเนื้อแท็กซี่ตะไคร้ Oh my god พี่น้องเอ้ยร้ายแท้ๆเลยนี่มั้ย Okay, the salad. Is it 250 250 or what? Just for one?
Man,
Low 680. It's still cheap in the regular market. Anyway, let's stay for longer. Alright. One kelp. That's a kelp.
baby kale and
$12, right? That's $12, right? Make sure how much?
Yeah.
Okay. That's baby kelp. Mix or what? No, I want the kelp. Corn fish. Say wild fish. Papino.
Yeah, snapper.
Any,
Fish.
but you have to look at wild fish, huh? I don't want any prawn fish. Tuna.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna eat like this and buy wasabi.
Mm-hmm.
The night time, you know, when you have something.
Yeah. And catfish probably good, huh?
Where's the catfish at? This one?
Right here,
Is
yeah.
it raw or not? If they raw, I
Frozen
take.
catfish.
Product from China, huh? China.
Oh, it says
Yeah, try that one. That's it. It's good now. I want
you gotta pay 5%.
if I dip it some cat.
This one?
How much for that? Oh, 58. I got lamb. This is too small. Good. Whew, cold. Oh, feel warm now. Oh, okay. Somewhere here. Go down a little bit.
Is this,
Is that enough? Enough 50? How many?
this don't-
250, but how many in there, you know?
This don't look like this is not the right size.
Not the right side. Pick up the right side, please. It's the right one. Salt cup. Okay. How much? 398 something? I don't know.
339. I mean 338.
38 and that one?
1036. This one, I think it's here. This is the correct home. Well, that's for double.
Okay, everyone, buy everything. About, I don't know, maybe over 100. I don't know. Let me see ticket. It's not that bad, $99. All good stuff, you know. Not that bad. Have so many stuff.
Were those empty boxes?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Restaurant Depot. Buy everything. Tuna. Eat sushi. Salad. Sunflower seed. Fish. Mekong fish from Vietnam. Actually, we'll see what happened, right? Okay.
Yes, swai fish.
Swai fish. I cannot wait to see. This is a fillet, right?
Yeah.
This is a fillet. This is okay. Big. Be good. Cheaper than you order from the Alaska, you know. 250, 270. Oh hell, to the no. It's cheaper right here. I have got a lot of stuff. Is that your bag fit into your car? Lay down, I think. Lay down the bag, right? Okay, beautiful hope over here. Get off from Restaurant Depot. Happy Wednesday. Oh, right here. He working. Yeah, he never work. He working. You just want to short, just can't pay 5%. That's it. You go Virginia, 6% they charge you. You know? Only $100, about $650. That's not that bad. I do that. I don't have a member card. It's fine, you know? No problem.
Just come get the fish.
Come get the fish and good salad like that. Kelp salad, baby kelp. The construction here in the how much cheaper? Cheaper, maybe you buy from here then it's cheap. Oh, they say they're gonna make restaurant. What I said, restaurant and gas station, everything. The shopping area, you know. On the way home, shopping from Restaurant Depot. Happy Wednesday, everybody. And it's very cold over here in America. So cold, 37 degrees, right? 37, 39, 38, 39 degrees. How cold is it? But it's okay. Everything have fun. Make fun of every season we have. And make fun of this. Guys, enjoy the weather. And see you next one. Let's go have some coffee. Howdy here. Alright. Charge your car, right? Tesla charge. Look at all full. Everybody here. All full right here. Just like that. Okay. พอใส่แก๊ส that's about it fill up gas look at all full right here oh my god you lucky you got one for you oh
it's-
and
it's
all
getting
full
worse.
wow
It's getting worse. People getting in arguments.
really
Who's come first? People waiting and somebody come and try to jump right in.
oh my god
Somebody try to argue with me the other day.
okay get coffee go get coffee พี่น้องเลยมาเด้อมาเด้อมาดูดอง get coffee thank you yeah, get the tray get the tray
I'm good. I got my
oh
tea.
you don't want any cake
No.
no oh, god
I voted for you.
hold on okay you don't want any cake right I have this cake alright let's get coffee that's it Cheers. Coffee. Cheers, everyone.
She didn't even. She only gave me a little bit of water. She didn't even fill it up.
Tell her fill up then. Go tell her fill up, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, tell her fill up. Tell her fill up, huh? Go ahead.
I hate bothering people. You know, if they don't get it right, then it's like